Hello! Today I'm going to talk about this small boat. With this boat, we can explore rivers and lakes. Doesn't matter if you are on shallow or deep water. This boat is pretty awesome. The boat is very light. We placed and tied it very well and safely on the top of our van, and it's good to go. The lightweight Sun Dolphin American boat has everything you need to stay on the water all day long, and it fits 2 people. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you next time!